In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best network cable tester available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive network cable tester that our team of cable testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. A network cable tester is a device used to test and verify the connectivity and integrity of network cables. It helps to identify faults in the cabling infrastructure and ensure that network connections are reliable and secure. A good network cable tester is an essential tool for IT professionals, network administrators, and cable installers. There might be the occasions that during the installation of cable network like the internet, you might have done faulty connections, which in turn is not giving you desired results. This is where the network tester comes for your help. A reliable network cable tester can troubleshoot and assist you in identifying faulty cables and connection problems. Even if you are not an expert, the brands we have listed are simple to use. With these network cable testers, you can quickly verify any broken connections in a panel without seeking professional assistance. In addition, a network cable tester will help you save bucks. And you know what we're talking about. Network cable testers can do jobs varying from the mere basics to the most complex. This includes informing you of correct wiring connections and your cable's data transmission rate status, to name a few. Some of them even got you covered with network maintenance and repair. As a result, you always need to get a sophisticated cable network tester if you have an extensive network. Some of the network cable testers listed in this post have high-resolution displays, so you can easily view the readings. So here are top 5 best network cable tester. At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more video. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.